Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the SmartyPants Women's Formula Daily Gummy Vitamins, Gluten-Free Multivitamin Omega-3 Fish Oil, EPA, Methyl B12 Vitamin D3 Vitamin B6 180 count, 30-day supply. Packaging may vary. Working out a lot, a hectic work schedule and life can make me forget to take my vitamins, but SmartyPants makes it easy in the gummy form. Wish this didn't have sunflower oil vitamin E in it, but the vitamin levels and forms of each vitamin is great. Tried other brands of gummy vitamins, but SmartyPants are the best. Other brands get all glued together at the bottom of the container, but the SmartyPants. One exceptionally good thing to know: with each bottle of SmartyPants sold, a matching bottle of nutrient is donated to Vitamin Angels, which helps mothers and children all over the world. They have a nice consistently, and unlike most gummy vitamins, they actually have a full daily allowance of the nutrients you need. Adult, after reading the labels side by side, is basically exactly what the product information tells you in their marketing information. The other difference is the women's is like a jujube candy, which means it is a rounded gumdrop with smooth sides. The adult formula is a little more like a gummy bear consistency in a gumdrop shape, but it has granulated sugar crystals coating the entire outside, and adult tastes sweeter to me and has 1 additional gram of sugar than a women's does. There are tons of terrible vitamin companies with synthetic supplements that are either a don't digest in your system, but SmartyPants goes above and beyond in making nothing is sacrificed. These MTHFR-friendly women's gummies taste good enough to actually take every day and have improved my overall well-being. The taste of vitamin is there a lot, so if you don't like the taste, it's not for you. And adults take 6 gummies. The only downside is how many you have to take for 1 serving, 6, and the fact that these are a little pricey for vitamins. The taste is actually like a sweet fruit chew candy too. It does get hard to remember to take 6 a day. They are packed with good stuff, including 100 daily values or more of vitamins C and D and folate, among others. It is great they have Carotene and B vitamins, as my neurologist has instructed me to take those for migraine prophylaxis. The texture is a little funky and gets stuck in your teeth, but the health benefits are allegedly going to weigh it out. Although it does permit you to stop purchasing additional fish oil and vitamin D, so it may equal out if you count all of that. These are high-quality vitamins that contain the best supplements in the form that is easiest for your body to process. It does contain the folate and the vitamin C the body needs to build blood, in addition to iron, though, so that's good. Thought taking 6 would make me choke, but the gummies are small enough to pop them all at once and be done. These are tasty and cover all the vitamins that my doctor wants to see, but 6 per day is a bit many. Not only are they high quality, but it cuts down my costs on purchasing them all separately due to my genetic mutations. Kinda sucks that you have to take 6 gummies a day, but it has all of the ingredients to make a good women's vitamin. Why take a vitamin when it's not going to be utilized fully? The folate in this one your body can utilize well. My only warning is that the serving size is 6 gummies, so don't expect these to last longer than a month if you take them every day. The first thing that impressed me was that they contain an active form of B12, which is almost impossible to find in a vitamin. Great product. My wife loves being able to take the right blend of vitamins and supplements in such a simple and flavorful package. So many good ingredients don't have iron, so need to take iron separately, but my stomach does well with these gummies for both normal everyday vitamins or pregnancy. These are tasty and not only have fish oil for healthy skin, but biotin for saving hair loss, and Carotene, which is great for weight loss. BC, it helps increase energy. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.